Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to tilt your view using Surveyor View in MicroSurvey CAD. Now we're going to start here on the main viewport. Let's say as I'm working on my project, I decided that I want to rotate everything I can see, but I don't want to edit any points or figures. My first step is to go to the top here and click on MS Tools. Right below, click on Surveyor View, which is within your view rotation box. Once I click on it, note that the command window is asking us to pick the left end of a line that will be horizontal. So I want this blue line here to be horizontal, so I'm going to first click the left end. Now it says to pick the right end, so I will click the right end. As soon as I click, the whole drawing now rotates. Notice that the coordinates have not changed at all. This arrow is still pointing north. If I want to return to the original view, all I have to do is click World View here at the top. I can also switch back using Return to Surveyor View. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing, it really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204. or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.